Want to step up your Raily? Land toeside to add some technicality. Start by following your unhooked procedure. Move your hands close together to the center of the bar to avoid erratic kite movements. Bear off downwind to release tension in the lines. Unhook and take the power through your arms as you begin to pop. The key to this maneuver is bending and bring your back knee forward. Place your kite at around 1 o'clock to begin with. Try to keep it in a stable position throughout the trick. The kite angle may decrease as your level improves. Initiate a pop and begin the trick in the same fashion as your Raily, allowing your body to be pulled towards the kite and your board and legs extending behind you. Once extended, use your core strength to swing your knees forward and board back beneath you. At this point, it is key to pull the bar towards your back hip whilst kicking your back knee forward. This will create the 180 degrees rotation needed to land toeside. If you are feeling confident, you can let go of your front hand to help open out your shoulder and give you some movement in the right direction. Spot your landing and aim your board to land downwind in the direction of your momentum. Let's remember the key elements. Unhook and pop with your kite at around 1 o'clock. Release your edge and extend your legs. Bend and push your back knee forward as you bring the board back beneath you. Aim your board downwind to land. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.